The 2-function joystick handle is included with this complete kit. It's the brand of the joystick handle is Nimco, and then it does come with the cables already assembled on it and ready to go. These particular cables are 78 inches, and these are the ends that go into the Bondioli valve. So these 2 pieces are the brackets that are used for mounting the joystick inside the cab of the tractor. This is the valve that comes with a complete joystick kit. It's a 2-function valve. Bondioli is the brand. These are the cable connector kits. They're for connecting it's the hardware for connecting the 2 cables to the valve. This is the valve mount plate. It's used for mounting the valve to the tractor. These are all the hydraulic hoses that are included in the complete joystick kit. There's a total of 6 hoses here. You've got 4 hoses going from the valve up to the hard lines of the loader, and then 2 hoses going back to the power beyond in the back of the tractor. These are the 4 quick coupler sets. This is the colored coupler plug set. These are to go over the quick coupler ends when the tractor is disconnected from the loader, and just keep everything clean and dust free. These are all the fittings that are included in the kit. The joystick kit comes with a complete set of instructions. Every part is labeled clearly. And then there's also a step-by-step instruction sheet on how all the parts go together and how the full joystick kit is assembled.